Hi, in today's lesson we're going to learn about the causative verbs have and get. We'll be looking at how they are formed and how they're used. There will be plenty of example sentences and some exercises at the end of the video, so keep watching till the end to see how much you've learned. So let's get started. Meet Jane. She wanted to change the colour of the walls in her bedroom. She called a painter and he came and painted the walls. Jane had the walls painted yesterday. This means that Jane arranged for somebody else to paint the walls. She didn't paint them herself. The passive is used as the emphasis is on the fact that the walls are being painted rather than who is doing it. We use have or get something done to say that we arrange for somebody else to do something for us. Compare these two sentences. Jane painted the walls. She painted the walls herself. And Jane had the walls painted. Here she arranged for somebody else to paint them. Let's look at the form. It's have or get plus the object plus the past participle. So you conjugate the verb have or get. So Jane had the walls painted. I don't like having my photograph taken. Here you are not taking the photograph. You're paying someone else to do it for you as a service. I think you should get your suit cleaned. Again, you are not cleaning the suit, someone is doing it for you. Have and get can be conjugated to represent all tenses. So, I've just had my hair cut is the present perfect. I will get my phone repaired, the future simple. You can also use it in negatives, so he isn't having his book published, and questions too. So let's look at the form. The question word is followed by the auxiliary, plus the subject, plus have or get, plus the object, plus the past participle. So where should I have my hair cut? Did you get your suit cleaned? So what's the difference between have and get? We can say get in the place of have to say get something done, but it's mainly used in informal spoken English. For example, I think you should get your eyes tested. Have something done can be used for a negative experience. Here we can't use get. It usually is when something happens to somebody or their belongings, or when someone is affected by an action which they did not cause, and it's often unpleasant and unwanted. So Gary had his bag stolen. Hundreds of people had their homes destroyed by the tornado. Hundreds of people were affected by the tornado, which they did not cause. So now it's your turn. Fill in the gaps with verbs using the causative of have and get. 1. I didn't cut my hair myself. I blank. Got my hair cut or had my hair cut. You paid someone to do it for you. 2. They didn't paint the house themselves. They blank. Got or had their house painted. 3. As you've lost your key, will you blank? Get or have another key made. 4. This coat isn't dirty. I don't have to blank. Get or have it cleaned. 5. Fiona blank at the airport. Had her bag searched. This is a bad experience that happens to you, so we use have and not get. Congratulations, you now know how to use the causative of have and get in English. Please remember to like this video if you found it useful, share it with your friends and colleagues learning English, And remember to subscribe to my channel Oxford English Now for more free English language videos out every Friday. Thank you for watching.